work on different projects. It's kind of like science, but also with building and trying to imagine your project. So for example, in my class with Mr. D, we did hot air balloons, and it was a lot of trial and error because a lot of people didn't do it right in the first try, so they had to try again. I think first you have to make the design, like draw it, or you can brainstorm with your partners if you have, or you can brainstorm by yourself what you're gonna do and how you're gonna make it work. Yeah, like don't give up, because it's a lot of trial and error, and you have to have a lot of patience to be able to do the project how it is and do it well. Yeah, I do like STEM. I think it's very interesting, like the different projects that they put us to do, and yeah, in general, I like it.
STEM is a program or a course that we take at Lighthouse that stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math, and challenges us to make a project using all four of those schools of thought. And it essentially makes you gather all your information that you've learned throughout elementary and throughout essentially your entire time here into one concise project. And it's a way of thinking outside of the normal school curriculum. Today we were challenged to build and construct certain things to meet challenges without any specifics. They just told us, you have to raise this as high as you can, or you have to make this float. And using our own thoughts and our own team effort, we had to figure out a design and an answer based off only our understanding. I want to exercise a STEM career when I grow up, and just having practice and having a challenge that isn't like, oh, fill in the dot, or oh, answer this question we have rehearsed. It's great for not only me, but my classmates, and also the future that we all plan on having. STEM is honestly just great for all our classes and for our teamwork and for even our time management. STEM has taught me trial and error, and not only trial and error, it also has taught me how to rethink when you fail, because sometimes we would fail and we'd keep trying the same thing over and over again and it just keep failing. But if we took a step back and we thought, all right, what did we do wrong, or what can we improve, it would always come out better. So it shows me that you don't have to always do it perfectly the first way around. It's as long as you understand your project and you're able to tinker it, you should end up with a better end product.